Today we're going to see how lethal the modern air rifle is. This is the FX Impact M4 Sniper, chambered in 30 cal. The pellets I'll be using today are 44 grain. It's got a Sonus silencer on it, and pretty much everything else is stock. I picked this up at Idaho Air Guns, and thank you, Joe and Natalie. We're gonna have some fun today. This year we've had tons of squirrels because we've had so much green grass. But down the hill, I've already knocked out a bunch of them over the last few months. But up here, there's tons of them still, and they're making their way down the hill. I want to catch them before they make their way down. I usually like to shoot my yardages kind of before I start shooting, so let me just go ahead and do that now. 80. That hill's 52 yards. Behind me, this hill is about 47 yards, about 60 yards. I'm zeroed at about 60 yards, so I know I don't have to change too much with my elevation, but I did come up the mountain a little bit, so you know that's going to change things a little bit compared to when I was down the hill, but I think we'll be okay. That was about 85 yards. That was about 80 yards. Oh my God, it ricocheted off of him. Hit him hard though. Man, you guys, these air guns are lethal. Watch how this pellet goes right through the squirrel and hits a cow patty right behind it. Right on the money. Knocked him down. Did you hear that? Got him. Oh. That was all luck, you guys. This has been a blast. Air rifles, man, super lethal. I shot all those pellets with one full tank and I still have some more to go. Thanks for watching, you guys, and on the next video we're gonna have some more fun with the air rifles.